Sure, the MajesTEC-4 is the currently ongoing trial inquiring the role of Teclistamab as maintenance, as single agent, or combined with Lenalidomide or against Lenalidomide. It's a randomized phase 3 trial. So it's currently ongoing, and the safety run-in phase has just completed enrollment. So we were able to look into this data, and we found that for sure several patients are improving their response with the use of Teclistamab. We are still refining some safety issues regarding the infectious prophylaxis and the administration of IgIV. So it was planned, it has just been planned a second safety run-in, and then the randomized portion of the trial will start. So the trial is there, is currently ongoing, and we hope, of course, it's planning to enroll 100 patients, so a huge number of patients across many countries. So we hope that we will have good enrollment in the phase 3 portion very soon.